Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Supervisor for long-running VPS services, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To register with Supervisor for long-running VPS services, start by navigating to the official Supervisor website. Look for the Sign Up or Register button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Registration button to open the sign-up form. Fill in the required fields, which typically include your name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure your password meets the security criteria. Read through the terms and conditions carefully before agreeing to them. Some services may send a verification link to your email address, so check your inbox. Click the verification link to confirm your email address and activate your account. Once your account is activated, return to the Supervisor website and log in using your email and password. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard to explore the services available. Look for VPS services in the menu and select the one that suits your needs. Review the specifications, including RAM, CPU, and disk space, to ensure it meets your requirements. Choose a billing cycle that fits your budget, whether monthly or annually. Fill in any additional information required for the VPS service you selected. Proceed to the payment section and enter your payment details securely. Confirm your order and wait for a confirmation message regarding your VPS service. Once confirmed, you can find your VPS details in the dashboard. Now you are ready to start managing your long-running VPS services with Supervisor. Familiarize yourself with the available features, including monitoring and management tools. Begin using your VPS by accessing it through the provided control panel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.